What if I told you that the fastest way to get rich is to stop looking rich? That the people driving modest cars, wearing simple clothes, and living quietly are often sitting on more equity, more assets, and more passive income than the loudest flexers online? Majority of self-made millionaires don't live flashy lives. They don't announce wins. They don't chase attention. And most people around them have no idea how wealthy they really are. In this video, I'm going to show you powerful advantages of stealth wealth, not surface-level tips, but deep psychological, financial, and life advantages that quietly compound your net worth while others burn theirs trying to impress strangers. And the last advantage is the one almost nobody talks about, but it's the real reason the wealthy stay wealthy. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Let's go to the advantage number 1. Stealth wealth protects your cash flow before it even starts. Most people think wealth is about how much money you make. Quietly, wealthy people know it's about how much money you don't lose. The moment your lifestyle looks expensive, your expenses rise automatically. Better restaurants, bigger gifts, social pressure to upgrade everything, hidden expectations. Suddenly, a $120,000 income feels tight. Stealth wealth flips this completely. When you live below what people expect, your cash flow stays clean and flexible. A person earning $90,000 a year but investing consistently into index funds, dividend-paying ETFs, and long-term equities often builds more net worth than someone earning $180,000 but trapped in lifestyle inflation. When your expenses stay low, every dollar becomes an employee working for you. Compound growth accelerates. Your investment portfolio grows faster because it isn't bleeding cash. And here's what most people don't realize yet. This advantage compounds into the second one, where stealth wealth doesn't just save money, it buys something far more valuable than cash. Advantage number 2, stealth wealth buys psychological freedom. There is a silent mental tax that comes with looking rich. You worry about maintaining an image. You worry about slipping. You worry about judgment. Stealth wealth removes that entire psychological burden. When nobody expects anything from you financially, your mind becomes lighter, calmer, sharper. Decision-making improves. Risk management improves. Long-term investing becomes easier. People under social pressure make worse financial decisions. They chase short-term validation instead of long-term capital appreciation. Quiet wealth protects you from that trap. You don't need to prove success. You don't need to signal status. Your dopamine doesn't depend on likes or reactions. When your self-worth disconnects from consumption, your wealth grows faster because your emotions stop interfering with money decisions. Once your mind is free from social pressure, something else happens. Your relationships change, and that leads directly to the next advantage. Stealth wealth filters people automatically. Money changes how people treat you, but stealth wealth lets you see who people truly are. When people don't perceive you as wealthy, they don't approach you with expectations, favors, or hidden agendas. Conversations stay real. Relationships stay clean. The loud wealthy often attract dependents, not allies. Quietly wealthy individuals attract people based on character, not convenience. Stealth wealth acts like a natural filter. You build relationships that aren't transactional, and that matters more than people realize. Because emotional clarity leads to better long-term decisions, including business partnerships and investments. Ask yourself, how many people in your life would still be around if money was never mentioned? The transformation is this: fewer distractions, fewer emotional drains, more focus on building real equity and long-term wealth. Number 4, stealth wealth gives you negotiation power without pressure. Here's a quiet advantage few people talk about. When people think you need money or look like you spend a lot, they negotiate harder against you. Employers, clients, even vendors sense urgency. Stealth wealth removes that. When you don't appear financially stressed, you negotiate from calm, from patience, from strength. People with low visible consumption often get better deals, not because they ask louder, but because they can walk away. The mistake most people make is revealing financial pressure without realizing it. Lifestyle choices leak information. Stealth wealth keeps your leverage invisible. Ask yourself, could you walk away from a bad deal today without stress? That's real financial power. And this advantage quietly compounds into your income, your investments, and your ability to wait for asymmetric opportunities, something the wealthy use relentlessly. Benefit number 5. Stealth wealth. Quietly turns time into your greatest financial weapon. When your expenses are high and visible, time becomes an enemy. Every month feels like a countdown. Bills create urgency. Urgency forces rush decisions. Rush decisions destroy long-term wealth. Stealth wealth flips this relationship completely. When your lifestyle stays simple and predictable, time slows down. You're no longer reacting, you're waiting. And waiting is one of the most profitable skills in investing. This is why quietly wealthy individuals benefit disproportionately from compound growth. They can hold stocks through market volatility. They don't panic during corrections. They let dividend income reinvest. They allow equity appreciation to mature instead of interrupting it for short-term needs. Stealth wealth does the opposite. It creates breathing room. When your monthly expenses are low, you gain the ability to delay gratification, something behavioral economists link directly to higher net worth over time. Number 6. Stealth wealth lets you take smarter risks while others gamble. From the outside, quietly wealthy people often look conservative, but internally, they're far more strategic with risk than the average person. The difference is this: they take risks from a position of stability, not desperation. Stealth wealth builds a financial buffer, emergency reserves, diversified portfolios, passive income streams that absorb shocks. That buffer gives you the confidence to pursue opportunities that require patience, not panic. When your lifestyle is lean, you can invest in growth stocks, start a business, or allocate capital to long-term plays without emotional pressure. You're not betting your survival, you're expanding optionality. Ask yourself this: are your financial decisions driven by opportunity or by urgency? The transformation is subtle but powerful. You stop chasing quick wins and start positioning for asymmetric upside, situations where the potential reward far outweighs the risk. Number 7. Stealth wealth eliminates lifestyle taxes that drain net worth silently. There are taxes nobody teaches you about. Not income tax, not capital gains tax, lifestyle tax. Expensive appearances come with recurring costs, maintenance, upgrades, replacements, insurance, social obligations. These costs don't show up on a balance sheet, but they quietly erode long-term wealth. Stealth wealth minimizes these leaks. When your lifestyle stays simple, your money stays invested longer, and money that stays invested compounds. A $60,000 car doesn't just cost $60,000. Over 25 years, that same capital invested in index funds could grow into over $50,000. That gap is invisible, but devastating. Most people mistake affordability for wisdom. Just because you can buy something doesn't mean you should. Quiet wealth people ask a different question: what is this costing my future self? Ask yourself this: how many of your purchases are one-time expenses, and how many create ongoing financial drag? The transformation is eye-opening. You stop measuring cost in today's dollars and start measuring it in lost future value. Number 8. Stealth wealth rebuilds your identity around ownership, not appearance. Identity is the hidden engine behind every financial decision. When your identity is tied to looking successful, spending becomes emotional. Purchases feel like proof. Consumption becomes validation. Stealth wealth quietly detaches identity from external approval. Success becomes internal. Progress becomes private. Ownership replaces appearance as the scoreboard. Quietly wealthy people measure growth by net worth, portfolio diversification, cash flow, and equity, not reactions. The mistake most people make is letting social comparison dictate financial behavior. That's why two people earning the same income end up in completely different financial futures. Once identity shifts, discipline stops feeling forced. Saving, investing, and delayed gratification become natural. Number 9. Stealth wealth makes you calm when others panic. Economic downturns don't just test finances, they expose psychology. When markets fall, people with loud lifestyles panic first. Their expenses don't pause. Their obligations don't wait. Fear forces them to sell assets at the worst possible time. Stealth wealth creates calm during chaos. Low debt, diversified assets, and modest living costs give you staying power. Instead of panic selling, you're observing. Instead of reacting, you're positioning. History shows that wealth is often transferred, not created, during periods of volatility. Quiet wealth is positioned to receive that transfer. And this emotional stability sets up the final advantage, the one that explains why stealth wealth leads to true freedom. Benefit number 10. Stealth wealth gives you total control over your life trajectory. When your wealth is invisible, your life stays flexible. You can change careers without explanation, move cities without pressure, retire early without announcement, build legacy wealth quietly. Loud wealth locks people into expectations. Stealth wealth removes them. You're not managing an image, you're designing a future. Most people never experience this level of autonomy because their financial choices were always public, reactive, and emotionally driven. Ask yourself this final question. Is your money controlling your life, or is it giving you control over it? The transformation is ultimate freedom, not flashy, not loud, but deeply powerful. Stealth wealth isn't about hiding success. It's about protecting momentum, preserving optionality, and letting compound growth do the heavy lifting while you stay focused. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you're curious about how the rich treat every dollar like an employee, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.